Thank you so much for that, Harsh. So gold is sparkling or not sure, but Kalyan Jewellers definitely is. I think in the last, 5 to 6 trading sessions, the stock has moved somewhere around 40%. Now, what we went through a threadbare analysis of what actually transpired in the last 4 5 days and what has caused this kind of a rally for Kalyan Jewellers from those 370 levels to almost 500 plus where the stock closed yesterday. Now, interestingly, this is the price action for the stock in the last 5 7 days. As you can see, that there was an initial dip for the stock price, starting the month of July, where the stock corrected towards 360, 370 mark. But from there, what followed was almost like a parabolic or a vertical kind of a rally for the stock price, where in the last 4 to 5 trading sessions, the stock has gained almost 150 plus points. Now, we dwelled into two major data points or two major asset classes within the gamut of Kalyan Jewellers. One is on the F&O side. Now, this is very interesting. On 2nd of July onwards, till yesterday, 13th of July, we saw the net open interest for the stock. Now, for the futures. Now, apparently, the contracts which were open on 2nd of July, which is the start of the expiry, was almost 32,000 odd contracts. Now, till day before yesterday, which is still previous week Friday, the open interest for Kalyan Jewellers was still lying at around 32,000. So it was hardly any change in terms of the open interest, except for the day like yesterday, where there was a marginal drop in the open interest number. So that tells you that this was not a short covering kind of a rally for Kalyan Jewellers. Then what caused the real fuel for the rally? So we looked at the cash data. Now that is a very interesting aspect. Now this delivery volume data is very, very encouraging. Now again, you look at it from the start of the month of July, the average delivery volume for the stock was around 17 lakhs to 10 lakhs for the first couple of days. And that was the time when Kalyan Jewellers was going through that mild corrective phase. But then what transpired post that was a huge amount of spurt in the delivery volumes. I'm talking of the delivery volumes on the quantitative side. Now, till yesterday, the delivery volumes was almost 2 crores for the stock. Now, as compared to this historical average of 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs, it's a significant jump of almost like a 10x to 15x kind of a move for the stock price in terms of delivery price action. So this helps us conclude into the fact that this was not a speculative or a short covering kind of a move for Kalyan Jewellers, but this was pure delivery based buying. So it tells you that if there is no speculative kind of a move, then this is not short covering oriented. The second and the more important part, if it's delivery based buying, which happens into the stock, that generally causes or indicates that there's been an institutional price action into Kalyan Jewellers. And we've seen historically multiple times that when rallies are led by institutional price actions, they are the ones which tend to sustain quite significantly.